My name is Dilip Donode, professor at Electrical Department at Tulsiramji Gaikwad-patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, an autonomous institute affiliate to Nagpur University, Nagpur, with NAC and NBA accredited. So our today's topic is Introduction to Renewable Energy Sources. So first we will discuss about the causes of energy scarcity. Like, as you know, there is some causes. Because of that, always there is a energy scarcity happens, or there will be some causes. Like fossil fuel depletion is the main reason. Population growth also the main reason for energy scarcity. As you know that population is rising day by day. Heavy fossil fuel dependency is also the cause. Like, as you know, we are generating electricity with the help of non-renewable energy sources, so that heavy dependency is also the factor for energy scarcity nowadays. Poor distribution of our generation, transmission, distribution system, that is also the factor. Because of this poor distribution, like if you see, there will be the power losses in this particular thing, and because of this power losses, that energy scarcity will happen. Outdated infrastructure is also the reason for this. Like as you see, outdated infrastructure, this is also the reason. Because of this outdated infrastructure, energy scarcity happened. Because of that, there is a inefficiency happened. Geopolitical instability is also there. Environmental rules, economical factors, technological barriers, and natural disasters, these all are causes for the energy scarcity. Now, as there is a causes, so there will be the solution also for this energy scarcity. So like if we have to solve this energy scarcity solution problem, so for that we have to focus on conservation and efficiency. So energy conservation is the best solution for this. As we conserve energy, so it will be the best option. Second, we will move towards the renewable and nuclear energy sources, as these are available in abundant form, and as you know that renewable sources are free of cost available, and nuclear have huge amount of capacity to generate electricity. Third is better distribution is the solution. Like we have to distribute, or that losses happen, power losses that happen in anywhere, that should be done properly, and it should be properly stable for that. Modern infrastructure we have to use. Policy supports will be there for from the government side also. Educational and awareness is also there. Education, we have to educate the peoples for that, and awareness is also important factor. Global cooperation is also important for us. So these are a solution for energy scarcity. Now, factors affecting energy resources development. As you know that we have to develop energy resources, like like we are using non-renewable energy sources, and we have to generate new sources of energy. So for that we have to develop some new energy sources. So for that, some factors which are affecting, like cost reduction. As you know, before 2010, the solar energy use is very less. Like solar photovoltaic electricity generation is very less because of cost. As before 2010 the cost is very high, but after 2010 the cost is reduced by 85% because of government schemes or policies. And so because of that also, now the peoples or public are using the different types of solar panels for electricity generation, or solar electricity generation they are prefer. Similarly, wind energy reduction is half nowadays. Also you can see the price comparison also, now it is less per kilowatt hour. Second reason is scale of installation. As you know, before 2010, as because of the cost, the installation scale will be very low. But now because of the price reduction, you can see maximum peoples or maximum we can say industrial or commercial peoples are using this particular solar panel electricity generation. So scale is also important, and scale is depend on the price. Next is resource availability. As you know, these resources must be available for us, and so resource availability is also important. Government policies are also important for that. That government should do some policies or incentives should be provided by the government. Public acceptance is also important. Environmental impacts are also important for this. Investment environment, technological advances are also important. Now we are moved towards energy resources and classification. So energy resources, as you see here, there are different types of energy resources like coal, hydro, nuclear, natural gases, petrochemical. So these all are different types of non-renewable energy sources except hydro. So you can see here there is a extraction, then processing process, then we are using this. So there is so much processes are there to generate electricity. So all these are we are using for electricity generation in different types of power station, but there is some process we have to follow, and that through that process these all are done. So so we have these sources. Now these all maximum out of these are comes under non-conventional energy sources. Sorry, it comes under the conventional energy sources. Now we will move towards energy classification. So on the basis of this four, we are classify energy resources, we can say also, like primary versus secondary. So primary, which is available in nature, that is called primary, and secondary, that is produced from primary, is called as secondary. So you can see the example of primary like coal, oil, gas, nuclear are the example for primary, and secondary you can see here steam, electricity, these are secondary energy sources or energy which we get. Second classification is conventional versus non-conventional. So traditionally which we are, resources which we are using are comes under conventional, and after the crisis, oil crisis in 1973, there is one new term that is called as non-conventional, and these non-conventional sources are nothing but we can say the renewable sources which have large capacity to generate electricity like solar, wind and biomass. Third classification on the basis of renewable versus non-renewable energy sources, you can see renewable which are naturally replenished, virtually inexhaustible, environmental friendly. So this renewable means they can renew itself, but non-renewable are not able to renew itself. So you can see the examples for this also. And the last classification is commercial versus non-commercial. So commercial available in the market, non-commercial traditional gathered, or at homes we are using this. So you can see the example for this also, like commercial electricity, coal, petroleum, these are commercial. Non-commercial are firewood, agro waste, animal powers waste, we can say. So this is the classification of energy. Next is worldwide renewable energy availability. So global capacity you can see here, now it is 1/3. So we are focusing on renewable sources use. So 2/3 is non-renewable, but 1/3 is renewable nowadays. So we are focusing to increase this also day by day. Sources also you can see here, now modern renewables are using by 2020 it is 29% global electricity is there. Future prospect, we have to develop some new technology so that the losses should be nullified with the help of this. So you can see the worldwide renewable energy availability on your screen. Now we are seeing about renewable energy scenario in India. So you can see here as government, Indian government policy, by 2070, we should focus that we should not use conventional energy sources. We will use only non-renewable energy sources. So this is the our target for this. So you can see that for India, renewable energy scenario details on your screen. So thank you so much.